Here are my first impressions of this glass water bottle from Lifefactory. I got it as a replacement to my old plastic water bottle, which I have been using for a couple of years. Specifically, I wanted a water bottle that I can put in the dishwasher and that will not leave a smell. And both of those are great benefits of using this glass water bottle. The bottle is available in many different colors and sizes. Mine is purple and the volume is 475 milliliters or 16 ounces. There are three pieces to this bottle. First, the bottle itself, then we have this colored silicone sleeve right here, and then we have the top. On this side of the sleeve, we have the branding up here and at the bottom, and then if I turn that around, you'll be able to see that there are indicators both in milliliters and in ounces to tell you how much water you have in your bottle. One benefit of this Lifefactory design is that there are multiple different tops that you can use. Let me get this one off. Here we can see one thing that makes this a super comfortable water bottle is the edge here. It's nicely rounded and it's rather thick. So this is actually very comfortable to drink from. Let me put that up to the camera so you can see it hopefully a little bit clearer. That is a very, very comfortable drinking surface. Some of the other tops that are available separately have a flip cap or a space for a straw. One of the things I liked about the bottle was that there was almost no unnecessary packaging. The bottle just came in this Amazon box and then there's a simple paper sleeve around it. Well, it looks simple enough, just pull this tab, but I did manage to fail it several times. One thing that I did not like was that there was a barcode sticker at the bottom of the bottle. I peeled it off. I tried my very best to get all the residue out. I put this through the dishwasher, but still there is some goo left at the bottom of the bottle. One thing that was important to me when getting a glass water bottle was that it's not going to break when it falls. Now, I have not taken the opportunity to drop this on the floor, but from what I've seen from other tests, this is extremely durable. So if you are looking for an environmentally friendly glass water bottle that is still super easy to clean in the dishwasher, definitely check out this one from Lifefactory. We are now 3 months after I recorded that initial video, and I've absolutely loved my Lifefactory water bottle. So much, in fact, that I got a second one. This is a bigger version. This is 22 ounces. I've also dropped my water bottle on the asphalt once and it did not shatter, which is excellent. Learn more about the Lifefactory water bottles with the links in the description below the video. And if you're looking for an excellent travel backpack, click or tap the screen right here. That's my review of the Osprey Farpoint 55 travel backpack. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video.